Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, I welcome you all in new academic year 2020-21. I also congratulate you all that you all have been promoted in class senior KG, and I am your new class teacher. My name is Mrs. Pooja. Okay, children. Now today, which subject we will study? Tell me. We will study subject English. And in English, what we will learn? We will learn how to write alphabets A to Z. What we will learn? We will learn how to write alphabets A to Z. Okay, children. See here. These are the alphabets A to Z. Can you tell me in English alphabets how many letters are there? No? Okay. Say with me. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters in English alphabets. And what are the letters? We will say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, children. Now we will write alphabets A to Z. All of you open your notebooks. Take out your pencils and eraser. Okay. Okay, children. All of you have opened your notebook. See, children. This is your English notebook page. And can you see the first line? See, how many lines are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, top and bottom lines are of red color, and in between there are two lines and their color is blue. So, children, in capital letters, we start from top line and we end the letter in the third line. Okay. In how many lines we write the letter? We write letter in 3 lines. Now I will teach you how to write alphabets A to Z. Look here, children. See, I have written also here, write alphabets A to Z. In this manner, you all have to write alphabets in your notebook. Okay, we will take a quick revision again. See, this is alphabet A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. So children, now I will teach you how you have to write alphabets A to Z in your notebook. See children, heading I have written write alphabets A to Z. Now we will write today's date. Okay, what is today's date? Today's date is 4th May 2020. What is the date today? Today is 4th May 2020. Now we will start. Our first letter is alphabet letter A. So children, from first line from this dot you have to start, come down, slanting line, touch the third line, then again come down, slanting line, touch the third line, and then sleeping line. This is alphabet A. First slanting line, again slanting line, then sleeping line. A. Now we will write B for ball. Standing line, come up till third line, then make a half curve from the first line to second line. Make half curve from first line to second line. Now make another curve from second line to third line. Now make another curve from second line to third line. Now we will write C. C for cat. We will make half curve. We will start from first line and we will end in third line. Yes, start. C. C. Now we will write D. Standing line. Standing line. See, standing line. Now again make a half curve. D for dog. D for dog. Standing line, then half curve. Now we will write E for elephant. Standing line, see, standing line, then first line, sleeping line, again sleeping line, E for elephant. Now we will write F for fish. Standing line, sleeping line, F for fish. Now we will write G for girl. Make a half curve up to third line, go up, sleeping line, and come down. Half curve, go up, sleeping line, then again standing line. G for girl. Now we will write H for horse. Standing line, one more standing line. Now sleeping line. Standing line, then sleeping line. Now we will write I for ice cream. Okay, see. Standing line, then sleeping line, see. We will do sleeping line in first red line and the third blue line. Now we will write J for joker. Standing line, right. standing line, standing line, make a half curve, standing line, make a half curve, and then sleeping line. J for joker. Now we will write K for kite, standing line, standing line. Now slanting line, we will start from first line to second line, slanting line. Now from second line to third line, again slanting line. K for kite. Now we will write L for lion, L for lion, standing line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. L for lion. Now we will write M for monkey, standing line, standing line, then slanting line, slanting line. Now slanting line go up, yes, again come down, standing line. M for monkey. First standing line up to down, then from up slanting line go down, from down to up slanting line, then again up to down standing line. M for monkey. Now we will write N for nest, standing line, standing line, slanting line, slanting line, again standing line. N for nest. Now we will write O for orange, O for orange. Now you have to make first half curve, then join this curve up till up. O for orange. You have to make a full circle. O for orange. Now we will write P for parrot, P for parrot, standing line, standing line, standing line. Now from red line, from first line make a half curve up till second line. From first line make a half curve up till second line. P for parrot. Now Q for queen, Q for queen. Again make a full circle, yes, make a full circle, and in between second line and third line make one small slanting line. Q for queen, Q for queen. Now we will write R for rose. Make a standing line, standing line, half curve up to second line, half curve up to second line, and then slanting line, then slanting line. R for rose. Now we will write S for sun, S for sun. From first line make a half curve up to second line. From first line make a half curve up to second line, and then make again half curve up to third line. S for sun. Make a curve from first line to second line, and again make a half curve from second line to third line. S for sun. Now we will write T for tiger, T for tiger. Sleeping line, in first line sleeping line, then come down standing line, sleeping line, then standing line. T for tiger. Now we will write U for umbrella. Come down standing line, go up and join in the first line. See, come down standing line, little curve, and then again standing line. U. Now we will write V for van. From first line come down slanting line, and from third line go up again slanting line. See, come down slanting line, again go up slanting line. V for van. Now we will write W for watch. Standing line, sorry, slanting line, go up slanting line, again come down slanting line, again go up little slanting line. W for watch. Slanting line, again go up, come down, go up. W for watch. Now we will write X for xylophone. Come down, slanting line, from first line to third line, slanting line, and one more slanting line. We will cross it. This is X for xylophone. Now we will write Y for yacht. From first line to second line, slanting line, first line to second line, slanting line, and then from first line to third line, join this slanting line, this line. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Now we will write Z for zebra. Slipping line in first line, come down slanting line, come down slanting line, again slipping line, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. So children, see, you all have learned now how to make the strokes in this alphabets. See, I have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So children, with the same method, you all have to write these alphabets in your English notebook. Okay? So children, that's all for today, children. Thank you. Sai Ram.